What's up, you guys? My name is Opia. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I know it's been like forever, and oh my gosh, it's been like 2 years. I think I've been on, like, I haven't been on YouTube. So just please bear with me. Life has been lifing, okay? I went to cosmetology school, and I think I mentioned that in my last video 2 years ago that I was in cosmetology school. So I'm so happy that I got my license. I did everything I said I wanted to do, and I've accomplished that. So the next step for me is I really would like to get back into nails, do tutorials, because I really miss doing tutorials, and I miss building that community that I had before, with all different type of nail artists, whether you're a beginner, you know, already been doing nails. It was just a really good family going on. But anyway, back to these nails, right? So I decided to do a acrylic nail, well, acrylic French, which I haven't did an acrylic French. I think it's been, oh my gosh, probably 2 years. Probably 2 years since I did an acrylic French. Because when I did do, like, I had a few clients here and there, and when I did do their nails, I was not doing acrylic French. So that's not something somebody would ask for. Anyways, I was doing this acrylic French, and this acrylic powder is so buttery, so smooth. So I'm not gonna give the full details because I'm working, I'm working on something. And but yeah, it's very buttery, and I really, really, really enjoy using this. And yeah, so in this video, well, right now I'm just trying to apply the bead, which, as you can see, it moves like butter. It's just really a really good consistency. And this is my this is my third nail where I'm trying to shape the nail. And I did like a 2 bead. I think this one was like a 2 bead. The other ones I did like 1 bead. But I think for this one, because I wanted the acrylic French to be a little longer, I did a 2 bead method just so I can get the hang of it, because I low-key kind of forgot how to do acrylic French. So I had to do a two bead with this acrylic French. Please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play ways, got ways too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my song. That's why I say the things that I say that way. So right here, sorry with the angle, you guys. I'm just so used to like holding my finger down so gravity can like bring the acrylic down versus it like flooding the cuticle. So I'm always holding my nails down, but I gotta remember, like, filming, kind of like hold it anyway. So I'm gonna get better with filming. It's just right now I'm just taking it one step at a time, okay? So don't go too harsh on me, okay? I'm gonna get better with the filming, I promise. But yeah, so I'm going to, oh yeah, and these I purchased off of Shein. These are some gel polishes because I really wanted to try the tortoise shell. I never did tortoise shell ever. So this is my first time actually on camera trying the polish and doing a tortoise shell design. So I'm going in with that jelly, that yellow jelly color, which I really like. I think it's really pretty. And then this is my blooming gel that I have forever. And I think it's by Two Guys, I can't remember. I think it says Two Guys on there. But yeah, and then I'm going in, well, after I do the blue and gel, then I put the brown. It's the other gel polish. It's the brown jelly. And I'm going to put it on there, and it's going to, do its thing. But I feel like with this, I should have did bigger globs. Maybe use like a dotting tool to kind of get like those bigger globs, but it's okay. It still came out really cute. I really like this polish too. Like, it's really nice. But but as you can see, it's spreading and it's doing its thing, so it looked really good.
Okay, so right here, I am applying some more of the brown. And off camera, I did do the black. I did black dots on there. And I also did another coat of the yellow jelly just to give it more of that tortoise shell look. And I think they came out really cute. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put clear acrylic powder to encapsulate those, because I actually really enjoy encapsulation. I don't know, something about encapsulation just makes me really happy.
What happened when I think about you? I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. This time around, fuck, I want it to be just yeah.
Okay, guys, so I did file everything off camera, and I'm just making sure I put this gel top coat, and I do cure this for 60 seconds, okay? And this set came out so gorgeous. Like, it looks simple, but I feel like the acrylic French is not beginner friendly. It's not. But the design itself, the tortoise shell, is definitely beginner friendly. And if you guys like this set, comment, like, subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Toodaloo!
VIP. Now bust a booty up and down and make that boy want it. Bust a booty up and down and make that